Welcome to the Nash House. It's the Father's Day edition. Can't help myself. I love putting on my apron so I don't get my dress dirty. My dad, say hi, Dad.
Hi, y'all.
They can't see.
Hi, y'all. How y'all doing?
So Dad came into town, and I am a daddy's girl. So
we've been doing that.
Yeah, so we're gonna do barbecue. Yeah, I know my dad came into town. He's about to cook with me, but there's a backstory to that. Y'all ready? What you doing, Dad?
I'm rinsing the broccoli off because all meat is supposed to rinse it off. And make sure you rinse it real good. Ooh, shit, that's hot.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's much better.
So we're gonna rinse all our meat.
We're gonna rinse all our meat.
All the meat.
That's gonna be the first thing we do.
Yeah. Get all of that rinsed off. Oh, you got ice?
Get all of that rinsed off. That's our beginning.
Yeah.
It's rinsing our meat. Make sure we rinse it real good.
Real good.
Throw any seasoning on it.
Okay. So we have a bratwurst. I know you wanted pork steak.
Bratwurst, hot dog, pork steak, and chicken.
And hey, my dad used to be a chef at this hotel downtown St. Louis called, what was the name of it, Dad?
Jefferson Arms.
Jefferson Arms, and it was a really big deal. That's the only thing I remember from preschool.
Give me something.
All right, I'll get you a pan.
I like a little mustard on my
On your pork steak?
pork steaks after I season them and clean them. It makes your meat more tender.
Ooh. You want some bell pepper onion too?
No, I don't need all that. I just need some mustard. We gotta get our meat.
We gotta get the meat clean.
You gotta make sure you always want to wash your meat. That's the first thing you do. You gotta get your meat clean. See how that water turning?
Yeah.
But your meat is always dirty.
Yeah, cause they gotta butcher it.
Yeah.
And everything, and
So
they ain't worried about cleaning it.
Yeah, they're not worried about cleaning it. Your meat gotta be clean.
Ooh.
Okay.
You need that pan back, or you need another? All right, you got you a little salt
Yeah, got a little
for
salt.
your pork steaks.
You're gonna put a little salt on them.
Okay. On both sides.
On both sides. You got meat tenderizer.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
gonna make it even a little
Salty.
bit salty.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you.
I'll put you to work.
Yeah, oh yeah, really. Really.
Oh, that's me, y'all. I'm spoiled. Not. Mm-mm. So I got the black pepper right here. Got the onion powder.
Onion powder.
All right.
Some of that.
Make sure it ain't all the way open pour, cause we don't want to dump it.
No, we don't want to dump it.
No.
And we don't want to use a whole lot of it. Because
Yeah.
we putting it on both sides.
Both sides, yeah. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Yep. Can you open it? And this is what you normally like putting on your steaks,
Yep.
on your pork steaks. I don't eat pork.
I know.
But I like to see you do your thing, Daddy, because you taught me how to cook.
Smoked paprika.
Yeah, smoked paprika. That enhances that smoke flavor.
Black pepper.
Mm-hmm. Seafood has been a major part of my life. We got the steak seasoning, and then I'm gonna jump in there. I'm gonna put some minced garlic in there. Ooh, that steak seasoning pretty.
Okay. Now you can jump in.
In here for natural flavor. I know you put the garlic powder, but this will really give you that garlic taste that you're
Right.
looking for. And we're gonna clear this jar out. I got a whole nother jar. I don't do nothing without no minced garlic. I'm gonna add my little parsley flakes on there. And then you said mustard, right?
Your mustard, yeah, that's like a tenderizer.
Ooh, do you want to sit these in the refrigerator for a little bit?
No,
And let them
no,
marinate?
no.
No? Okay, I'll let you do your thing.
I didn't
I didn't put enough mustard. Oh, I didn't put enough mustard.
Mustard, it helps your meat.
It helps the meat?
Yeah, it makes it tender.
Okay.
I learned that a long time ago.
Yeah? Now, is it good for any type of meat, or is it just really good for like pork steaks and
It's
stuff?
good for all barbecue meat.
Oh, or barbecue.
Yeah, with that, when you want a barbecue, yeah, just add a little mustard.
Ooh.
And then make sure you gotta rub it in.
You gotta rub it. Give it a good meat rub.
Yeah, you gotta give it a rub.
Now, see, if you at home and you prepping this, you would use your gloves. But my dad,
I'm used to using
he
my
old
hands.
school. He gonna use his hands. Okay? All you germaphobes out there, we not feeding people that's buying plates. We feeding ourselves. Okay? Mind your business. Mind your business.
Okay, let me wash my hands.
I love you, honey. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. So they finally gave me admin time.
We're ready to put it on the grill.
All right, Dad. You taking it out?
Yep.
All right.
We're going to the grill. I need a fork.
Okay, I'll get you one of the big ones.
Okay.
So Daddy got the fire going with wood chips that Grayling had and some mesquite charcoal. And we're gonna put the steaks on first.
Yep, this is on first.
So that mustard is the trick, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it too.
I need some water.
Okay. Adding brothwurst since we got more room. And they're clean. As Daddy said, you gotta rinse your hot dogs and your brothwurst too. This is a very special episode if you have not paid attention yet. Because my dad is here. And it's almost Father's Day. Oh, we got a full house on that grill. Backyard barbecue style, y'all. Yeah. Dad is flipping over those pork steaks. We got the chicken legs on. The hot dogs are done. Kids been eating them.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
And the kids are having a good time.
Hello. I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
How's it looking, Dad?
Look at Dion.
Yeah, that was Dion. Okay, why? I just want to know why. Oh, God, why?
My turn.
You just had a turn. My turn.
Oh, that look, no screaming in the microphone. It's already loud. Oh, that looks really good. Let's get a real good close-up of that. Ooh. That look good.
It's really looking good.
Now to go with this massive amount of meat that all the men wanted, I made some stove top shells mac and cheese and my passed down recipe of actual potato salad. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to vote for me as your favorite chef.